Yeah, guys, I went to court today, but them said they not no court today. You understand what I did, so coming at the town, on the mall, eat piece of chicken and drink some punch. Don't know things set up, guys. So guys, I'm gonna show you around on the mall. You understand what I did? Now eat first and then show you around on the mall, guys. So guys, I'm gonna eat piece of chicken and come back. Yeah guys, so here's how I buy the chicken. You understand what I did? Yeah. As you can see. Yeah guys, so see me chicken there. You understand what I did? And my punch, my banana and peanut. So guys, I'm gonna eat something now and then I'm gonna show you around on the mall. You understand what I did? Yeah guys, we soon come back. Yeah guys, so me finish now. You understand what I did? So I'm gonna move out now, show you around Panama liquor. So I couldn't swag on Panama. Yeah. So guys, I don't know the badness go. Yeah guys, so Panama is, you understand what I did? Yeah. Guys, when I come Panama, come shop, you have to have money. Yeah guys, so me now one little close store upon the mall. It's a Jamaican lady too. Yeah. So you don't know a thing set up, guys. Anyway you go in the road, you have to meet a Jamaican, not true? Yes, so you don't know a thing set up. You come in here, you want any craft and them thing there. You understand what I did? Nice shoes, nice clothes, everything nice. Lady nice. Guys, I don't know when Jamaican left Jamaica and go one next country, you don't know a thing set up. We not try to hold on yourself. You understand what I did? We try to keep up yourself, make people look to it. So guys, when you come in Grenada and you want nice shoes, you come right on the mall. Ask for the Jamaican lady. We sell on the mall. Nice shoes, guys. Man, I like to tell you. So I go on. Yeah, nice bags. Everything nice, guys. Man, I lie. Everything nice. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna show you now when me get my punch by, guys. Yeah, guys. So when I want to punch, you come down here, up on the mall. You understand all these. Guys, I don't know a beer badness. Beer badness. Don't know things about. Yeah, guys, so I don't know a thing set up. Guys, me just a yai shop, you understand what I did? Yeah. Guys, I don't know, me not go stay too long, you understand what I did? Me just show now liquor while I go on in the mall. Yeah, guys, so I don't know a thing set up. Yeah, guys, so you have some nice watch, ladies and man. You understand what I did? Yeah, guys, so I go on, yeah. Also, guys, I have some nice, beautiful ladies work inside here. So, if you look for nice ladies, that can come on the mall. Yeah, guys, so I go on over here, so. Some nice swing, guys. Me not lie to tell you. Guys, a be a badness step on the mall. You understand what I did? Whenever time you come Grenada, just run come on the mall and get everything what you want. So guys, right now I got any video I go home now. You understand what I did? Yeah, me not go stay too long in the street. Yeah guys, so I'm out.